So today I'm going to talk about the new products by OIL CAN Grooming. We have got the Grooming Spray, the Styling Powder and the Sea Salt Spray. Now I'll start talking about the Grooming Spray first because I've used this one the most so far. Now it's a primer that goes into your hair before hair drying. You dry it into the hair, it provides a hold to the hair so you can get the lift that you want, the volume, and then if you spray it onto the hair afterwards you can manoeuvre that style to give it a slight hold instead of using any other product if you want more of a natural look. They come in a nice little tin with a nice sort of spray. You spray it like that, nice little spray from the top so you don't use overly too much, you just got a nice light amount coming through there. So that's that one. Definitely hit this one up. It's got a nice fragrance of cactus and pomegranate. So it really hits you the scent, but it's not too overpowering. So then move along to the Sea Salt Spray. This one's more of a lighter fragrance to it. You're better off putting this on wet hair, damp hair, drying it in. You'll notice it gives it more of a free texture sort of style. Nice, smooth, gentle product. Just gives it that definition that you're after. Dry it in there. Make sure it's all messy and it sits beautiful, and also gives it like a nice fragrance as well. Same spray bottle as the Grooming Spray. And then the third one they've got out is the Styling Powder. Now as powders go, I'm not a big fan of them, but I've used this one and I actually really like it. So you put this one into the root of the hair once you've got it dry, and I've used that especially on a few French crops in the last day, and it really gives it the height you want, the texture you want, and doesn't overpower. Again, this has still got a fragrance to it considering it's just a powder. When you notice when you put it into your hair, it doesn't leave any white bits in your hair either. It actually blends nicely into your hair when you rustle it all up. So yeah, as the OIL CAN Grooming products go, I mean the beard oils, as you can see in front of me as well, are fantastic ones with fantastic fragrances. So beard oils are definitely ones to check out. And as they've launched this new range out now, then these are absolutely brilliant. Love the Grooming Spray, love the Sea Salt Spray, and also I was quite shocked, but I'm really enjoying the Styling Powder as well to use. So hit on their website, I'll put the link down below to place some orders. I'm definitely going to be ordering all of these again. Definitely getting these in the shop for sale, as well as the beard oils. They also do a range of styling products as well, which are your gels, your pomades, clays, so check them out as well. And thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video.